So continuing on in the gear icon, we're going to go to the gear icon, we're going to go to your company and account and settings. So in this video, we want to go to the usage button. In a later video, we're going to talk about the different QuickBooks subscriptions that are available. I didn't want to get hung up on that in the beginning stages because it's really something that you're only going to look at once, maybe twice, if you ever need to upgrade. So this usage section is going to tell you some valuable things that may or may not ever come up in conversation. One is the type of subscription that you have. So in this case, the sample company is QuickBooks Online Plus. So with this subscription, you can have up to 5 people being able to access QuickBooks with their own user ID. In QuickBooks Online Plus subscription, you can have up to 250 items on your chart of accounts list. Now, when we talk about chart of accounts, you're going to find out that 250 is a ridiculous number of accounts, that you would never have that many. But in this case, you can have up to 250. You can also have a combined number of classes and locations up to 40. And we'll go through a whole series about classes and locations and how to use those. And then tag groups, you can have up to 40. This is all about what your limits are. So if you get to a point where you go over 40 classes and locations, you'll get a message from QuickBooks saying that you have used up all of your classes and locations and you need to either make some of them inactive or, hey, look, you can upgrade your subscription in order to get more. Usage, you probably will never look at this, but if you need it, it's there, and you can get to it by going to the gear icon to account and settings under your company and usage.